lost in the crowd, trying hard to stand my ground. Then you came without a warning, and somehow you turned my world around.
Hindi ko rin inaasahan na may taong darating biglaan. Sa gitna ng mga pagdududa, ikaw ang naging kasagutan.
Every smile, every word you say makes the darkness fade away.
Sa bawat araw na lumilipas, mas lalo kitang hinahanay.
'Cause you feel like home, kahit saan man mapunta. Ikaw ang pahinga ng pusong pagod na. You feel like home, in your arms I belong. Kapag ikaw ang kasama, parang tamang lahat ng malino.
There were nights I couldn't sleep, thinking love was not for me. But you showed me something different, something real, something deep.
Noong akala kong tapos na ang kwento ng aking pag-asa, dahan-dahan mong binuo ang pusong matagal nang sira.
If tomorrow fades away, I'll still choose you every day.
Kung magbago man ang mundo, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko.
Hand in hand we'll face the rain, through the joy and through the pain. You feel like home, kahit saan man mapunta. Ikaw ang pahinga ng pusong pagod na. You feel like home, you're the answer to my prayer. Sa bawat tibok ng puso, ikaw ang laging naroon. You are my home. Ikaw ang tahanan, puso kong matagal na naghihintay.